In this video, I will show with you how to set up stop loss and take profit on Tradovate. So friends, if you want to take your profit and stop loss, go to your accounts and Tradovate, log in your account with your all details. After logging in your accounts with your all information here, you will see this chart. Click on this setting view icon, gear icon from here, and then go to stop types. From here, choose stop limit. This is option. After that, click on ticket or choose the price from here, and you can add your destination, your price for this is for stop limits, and then click save. If you want to take a profit, you can also use this guy icon, or you can click this option, and then you will see this icon, gear icon, and then choose your type, take a profit. You can stop your stop loss from here. You can write your take profit from here, and then you can save. Just go to this gear icon, and then you can manage your stop loss from this option. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video. As I say, you can here manage your stop loss and take a profit easily without any